Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie and welcome. Today we are going to be making a savory crepe. We're going to be making these delicious things. I don't know if you could see. We're going to stuff them with chicken and mushrooms and onions, and it's going to be fabulous and delicious. This is basically like a croquete, which we make a lot, but what we typically do, at least in my household, is stuff them with cabbage and sauerkraut, but we are going to do something completely different, but let me tell you, just as delicious, if not even more. So I really hope you guys give it a try. If you like the recipe, as always, give us a big thumbs up, and if you have not yet subscribed, you need to do that now. All right guys, enjoy. Bye.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed, deep and abiding. Liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and beyond your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. Deep and